Prarthana. Welcome to Divine Shiv Shankar Tarot. Today I'm going to do spirit messages for you, and I'm thankful for whoever has subscribed my channel, liked my channel. Okay, please support me more. Okay, today I have bought spirit messages for you, and I'm unboxing this spirit messages box daily guidance for you. This oracle deck which I have bought, which was gifted to me. Okay, and I'm thankful to whoever has gifted this to me, my parents, my family members. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, today I'm doing these spirit messages for you. I have already pre-shuffled these three piles, but I'm going to shuffle these spirit messages on camera for you. Okay, my dear friends, so let us unbox this. Okay, this is the box. This is the guidebook, and these are the beautiful cards. Okay, my dear friends, these messages may or may not resonate with everybody, and it may be about career, it may be about your relationship, it may be about your love life, it may be about your siblings. Whatever the messages comes, please resonate with your situation. Okay, and if it doesn't resonate with you, please leave it. Please leave the the reading and move on. If you want to select the other two piles, you can do so. It's your choice. Okay, and once I start doing the tarot reading, once I do this first reading, I will be shuffling these cards for you on camera, and I will be giving the guidance. Okay, my dear friends, shall we start? Please meditate. Take your own time. Please meditate on the three piles. The pile number 1 will be this white stone. The pile number 2, pile number 2 will be this blue stone, dark blue stone, and pile number 3 will be this translucent 2 blue line stone. Okay, my dear friends, please select whichever piles you are called for. Okay, shall we start, my dear friends? Okay, for pile number 1, whoever has chosen this white color stone, shall we see what's there for you? 8 of Swords, Eight of Pentacles. Okay, 8, and 5 of Pentacles. Okay, my dear friends, might be in the past you were stuck and you were in a very bad state or an illusion state. You were trying to move out of that situation, but you couldn't. You were doing more you were doing hard work on others, not on yourself. Okay, this card is telling me to please save your pentacles, save for your later life. Don't spend too much of money now. If you spend too much of money now, you will be left out in cold in future, my dear friends. Now you are very much in your work, and you are doing your work for the pentacles, and it's so hard. I know it's so hard to earn pentacles. You can't earn in overnight. You can't earn anything. Okay, not even pentacles, not even whatever it is, the growth, whatever it is, development, whatever the situation you are in now, there is a stuck, you were in a stuck mode. Okay, and you were doing lot of things for others, and you never loved yourself. There is no self love. Please take care of yourself, and might be some people over here are dealing with lot of mental stress, and that mental stress is going upon your physical stress also, and your physical it's yeah, there is a caution that you should take care of your physical um, situation also over here. Okay, uh, you are overdoing work, a workload is too much here, and you are working over your pentacles a lot. And if you don't save your pentacles now, then your future will be in a stuck mode. Okay, uh, you might face some loss in future if you don't recognize it now. Okay, my dear friends, it's very necessary for you to save for future, my dear friends. I'm very badly getting here, don't overly spend money. It's your hard earned money, and don't spend it overly lavishly on things for people around you. Okay, think about yourself first. Okay, and there will be some issues in the family also, I'm seeing here. So please take care of yourself first, and if you take care of yourself first, then it will be all right, my dear friends. That is what I'm getting from this reading. And as I said, today I'm going to bring out spirit messages for you. Let me see what are the messages for you, and what is it you have to keep going on in your life, and what is it that you should remove it. So this card came out, let me see. Okay, serenity. Okay, the second card is listen. Okay, and the third card, please give me third card, spirit guides, for pile number 1. Please give me the third card for pile number 1. Please give me the third. Okay, the 2 cards came. Okay, I'm going to take it as it is spirit messages. Okay, self-sabotage, okay, and nature. Okay, my dear friends. Okay, the serenity card first. The serenity card is telling you the most important relationship you can have is with yourself. Didn't I tell you, take care of yourself first? Because you are overdoing work for others, and you are not looking you're not seeing yourself in an abundant mode. Okay, my dear friends, please take care of yourself, mentally or physically or whatever it is. Okay, take time for yourself. Okay, this is time to honor, nurture, and love yourself more by seeking out and removing any negative feelings and emotions that are left over from yesterday. Please come out of this mode. Spirit messages are telling you, as I said earlier, you are too much in your head. Please come out of it. Please come out of the illusions or any guilt you have in the past, or anything you are overdoing for others. Please take care of yourself. It's calling you to take care of yourself. Okay, don't let past issues and resentment interfere with your serenity today. That is what I told you, my dear friends. If you are in the past and you are thinking about others only and not thinking about yourself, then there is a loss in future. This is what the guidance is for you today. Okay, this is calling for you to take care of yourself now, or else you will be left out in the cold. Okay, my dear friends, the next card is to listen. You have to be willing to listen to you. That is, this is also telling about you only, friends. It is telling you to listen, as here the lady has blindfolded herself and her ears also closed with the same cloth. I think you have to remove these ribbons or tied up position from for yourself, my dear friends. Come out of this situation. It is killing you from inside, and if it is killing you from inside, it is for it is for you to take mercy on you and to come out of it. Okay, come out of it. You have to be willing to listen. If you want to really understand someone, now is not the time to be offering advice, but to be compassionate listener. To listen fully and intently means to pay attention, not to just what's being said, but to what lies beneath the words. That is what I'm telling you, my friends. It is now, it's time for you to listen to your situation, what you are going through. And I am feeling a tremendous, uh, tremendous mental illness and physical illness in your reading, my dear friends. Please take care of yourself, okay? Please take care of yourself. And any advice won't work, it's for you, it is left to you to take care, okay? Though this female is tied up, she is tied up, loosened, okay, she can remove it by herself. If you don't, if you are not willing to come out of it, then nobody can help you to come out of it, my dear friends. So listen to your heart, listen to people around you, what are they trying to tell you, okay? Might be this video is a guidance for you, okay? Self-sabotage, this is what you are doing here. This card and this card is more similar to me, okay? This here also she is blindfolded and she's tied up, everything. And here also you're closing your eyes and not seeing the nature behind you. It's so bright and beautiful, my dear friends. Now if you don't come out of your self-sabotaging situation, then you will be left out in the cold. You are alone in this world, okay? Don't do it, my dear friends. Hope this is helping you a lot. And the cards also have come out so nicely for you people, my dear friends. When you learn to get out of your own way, this is speaking a volume to me, my dear friends. This is speaking volume to me, okay? And hope this guidance is also helping you right now, okay? Don't self-sabotage yourself, okay, my dear friends. Most of the time it's not others who prevent you from achieving your true goals. It's that in your inner voice that deals those carefully woven plans. This is also the same position, my dear friends. You can see she is self-sabotaging herself, okay? Nobody is there around her. This is her illusion, okay? This is what she is seeing from the outer side. She is not working on her inner self, okay? Please do that, okay? Please open your eyes, open your mind and soul for a beautiful and optimistic future which lies in front of you, okay? Nature, the next second, the third, fourth card for you, my dear friends. Nature, this is time to observe the healing properties that nature has to offer. Your mind, body and soul need nourishment, energy, revitalization and strength. Nature has much to offer, so take time to connect and spend quality time outwards. As I told you, don't be in this stuck mode, okay? Work, work, work and work. All you are doing is work and work for yourself, and you are not doing it for yourself. I feel very strongly that you are doing the work for others, not for yourself, my dear friends. Please work on yourself. Go to nature, see the nature's beauty, okay? See the sunrise, see the stars, see the moon, okay? You feel so light and energy. You get a positive vibes from nature, right? If you see a small butterfly, you will be happy. Or if you see a small insect which is beautiful, if you see a ladybird, it's so nice to see them in the nature, my dear friends. Please go to nature, take your own time, and please help yourself, okay? You alone can help yourself and come out of this stuck mode and bring the prosperity in your life. Hope these spirit messages has helped you, my friends. Please don't be in that I'm feeling so bad about this situation, and I really mean a lot to my dear friends. Please take care of yourself, okay? Please do it. If you like this reading, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. I'm very thankful for people whoever has subscribed my channel, liked my channel. Thank you so much for your support. It means a lot to me, and please keep supporting me and subscribing me, okay? Thank you so much. Namaste. So moving on to pile number 2. On to the second pile, whoever has chosen this dark blue stone. Let us see what's your guidance. Our reading is today, okay? The Judgment card. the Seven of Wands, the Six of Cups, okay, the Soulmate card, Two of Cups, and Queen of Wands. Okay, my dear friends, you are waiting on a relationship from a person from the past. Okay, you are waiting on the judgment for them. You want them in your life very badly. You love them a lot, and they might be of a water sign or fire sign, and you are waiting for a judgment. Okay, might be they are in a karmic situation right now, and you are waiting for any situation to end, and you want them to come to you, and you're waiting for them, and there are competitions in your work as well as in your relationship friend. But moreover, I'm getting about a relationship over here. Okay, and your person is a very strong person who is very grounded, and you like everything. They are bold, bold and beautiful, and you want them in your life very badly, but you are waiting upon them, and you want to confess your love to them. Okay, my dear friends, or you are waiting for them to tell you that yeah, such and such a situation has ended up, and I want you in my life. So please, friends, if you are in love with that person, please express that love. Please don't keep it with yourself. Okay, as the Judgment card has popped up, I think whatever has gone wrong in the past, everything is going to be finalized. Okay, my dear friends, this is a final stage maybe. Okay, but you have to be grounded, because there is lot of competition going on, and there are people who are pulling you down from the post or from the relationship where you are. Okay, you have a happy family in future. Okay, my dear friends, and you should take control over your emotions, over your financial situations and everything, and be calm. Okay, my dear friends, I am yeah, might be some of your friends are coming to meet you and tell you about the past person. There will be some conversations about it, and yeah, I feel that your grandmother or mother are coming towards you with a gift. Okay, and you feel nice about it. uh, yeah, you should be patient, yeah, because the judgment time is coming. So don't hurry up things. Okay, my dear friends, the past person might be returning to your life. Okay, the person whom you are waiting right now might be returning to your life. Okay, please give me the guidance for pile number 2. Please give me the guidance for pile number 2. Please give me the guidance for pile number 2. Please. Okay, this 2 came up. Okay, the pile number 2, you have study. Spirit has its own special way of letting you know that it's time to be study again. From time to time, it's important to go back and learn, whether that's learning old things in a new way or learning something totally new. This is an opportunity to expand your mind. Okay, as I told you, to be steady, there are competitions and everything. There is a new way for you to learn, and you have an opportunity to study further, or I know, to renew old thing or anything in a special way. Okay, my dear friends, so be steady and be patient with yourself. Okay, let me see the 2 cards. A mother's love. Oh, how nice it is. Didn't I tell you, might be your mother or grandmother will be coming towards you. So give them lots of love, my dear friends. They will be coming towards you. Okay, let me see the messages. A mother's love is reaching out to you at this time and holding you close. She knows how much you miss her and wants to remind you that this special bond of love can never be broken. Okay, my dear friends, this messages is for rightly for you. As I told you that your mother or grandmother, anybody will be coming towards you with the gift. This is for telling you that don't be stressed or don't over analyze things. The judgment day is coming. The people whoever has broken your trust will be getting their karma. Okay, and your mother will always be there with you and she will always nurture you, and yeah, there, and she is there to tell you that nobody can break your relationship. Okay, you and your mother's relationship, isn't it so nice, my dear friends? These two cards are relating so very nicely for you. Okay, my dear friends, hope you understood what I am telling to you, because relationships are important. Sometimes we misunderstand with as the time goes on, we misunderstand a mother's love or a father's love or whoever it is. Okay, so we should give love instead of love. Okay, for some, if there is no, if you have if you don't feel, if there is no mother figure, you feel that motherly love. Okay, you can go, there is something, there might be someone else who will, whom you see your mother. Okay, my dear friends, and give them lots of love, and yeah, instead you also will get lots of love, my dear friends. Okay, take time for your mother. Love. Love is the foundation of your existence. You are just worthy of receiving as you are giving love and compassion. While love can be beautiful emotion, it's equally a form of energy that propels you through life. Okay, as I told you, are waiting on your for your soulmate, or there is something or a past person coming to you and telling you that they love you a lot as well, and yeah, so be steady and have your own grounds. Don't be disturbed by the competition going around you. Stay calm. Okay, stay grounded, and the foundation of your life is on love. You have everything, a love of a soulmate, of a mother. A soulmate doesn't mean only a love interest. It can be your sibling, it can be your mother, father. A soulmate relationship is a damn very good relationship, my dear friends. It can come in any form. It can be your friend, it can be anybody. Okay, the soulmate connection is such a nice connection, and don't forget, in this competition world, don't forget to love and give love to others too. Okay, my dear friends, these were your spirit guides messages, guidance for you. Hope it helped you. If you like, please like, share, subscribe my channel, and yeah, in the comment box, please share whatever whichever topic you would like me to talk on. Okay, my dear friends, the next reading will be for pile number 3. For pile number 3, whoever has chosen this transparent 2 blue line stone. Okay, let us check what is your guidance. Okay, the Fool card, the Four of Swords, the Devil in the reverse. Today I'm taking the Devil in the reverse. Okay, it has come in the reverse, and the Sun card. Okay, my dear friends. Okay, might be in the past you have taken a leap of faith towards a relationship or towards a profession or anything it might be, and it had a enormous impact on you, that you were too much in a loss, or something happened in between the relationship, or something went wrong, and you were you went silent very badly. You were not talking to anybody. You thought that everybody are there to hurt you, and nobody is seeing your perspective, or something which has gone wrong very badly, and people are talking in the background, and you don't care now for that. Okay, my dear friends, because the Devil has come in the reverse position, I think you are coming out of it, and sun is telling it all. Okay, my dear friends, it's a positive way, and you are coming out of it. And the sun card is telling you there is a positive changes in your life, and it is telling you to please take the positive changes and leave the rest. Okay, my dear friends, it's so clear for you. And the sun card is the most positive and the strongest card in the tarot deck, and I keep saying that because I love this card. And for some, might be there is childbirth in your family, or there are children who might bring happiness, luck, everything in your life. Okay, my dear friends, and when the sun card pops up in the reading, I feel so nice that because there are so much of darkness in your life, and the sun comes up in your reading, then the reading gets too positive. Okay, whatever the negative are there prospects in your life, they are all burning out. Okay, they are all fading out, my dear friends. So no need to worry, and there is no need to worry and hurry also. Okay, take your own time and realize what all the mistakes you have done in the past, and then move forward with a positive perspective. Okay, my dear friends, let us take the spirit guides messages for you. And okay, this came. Okay, now one more card, please. Two cards popped up right there. One more card. And please do take care of yourself, your physical. You are coming out of some addictions. Maybe you know that addictions are not proper for you. Maybe these are the relationship addictions, or whatever it is, because you are a free spirit. You know that it is dangerous for you now. You are taking baby steps now. Okay, my dear friends, you are coming out of it. Okay, this came out. Okay, my dear friends, let us see your spirit messages. The first card is take a moment. Okay, as the Fool card, take a moment. Okay, take a leap of faith, but take a moment, take your own time. Did I tell you, take your own time. Stop. Now is not the time to rush into the decisions you are about to make. Before this important decision is made, take a moment to pause and quiet your mind, so that you can ask your soul for the guidance before you act or move forward. Didn't I tell you, my dear friends, don't rush in, take your own time. As you know, I shuffled in front of the camera, and right there is the same message for you. Okay, take baby steps, don't rush in. Okay, if you rush in, there might be again a danger waiting for you. Okay, so don't do that. Take your own time, ask your soul, ask your spirit angels for guidance, ask your gods and goddesses the help you want. Okay, the Strength card. Okay, my dear friends, strength comes from many sources. Staying strong brings confidence, conviction, and balanced body, mind, soul. Spirit has its own unique, beautiful way of replenishing your soul with the strength and continual basis. You are never really alone, as we are always with you. Okay, my dear friends, as I told you about the addictions, you are coming out of it, and you are growing strong. Okay, making your mind, body, soul strong. You are taking a strong decision in your life. Your mind will be stable, and you know what you are doing. Okay, or not like this as a fool here. You won't take decisions lightly. Okay, my dear friends, you have the strength in you now to take a very firm decision in future. Okay, the Strength card is telling you that you are not alone. We, the spirit angels, are here with you. Angels, gods and goddesses are with you. Okay, my dear friends. Vulnerability. This is the confirmation that you are seeking to tread into the unknown, unfamiliar territory. where decisions are based more on intuition than rationality. Don't let fear hold you back or allow a misguided sense that feeling vulnerable is somehow a negative condition. Okay, now that you are in this condition, you are taking your own time to decide. Okay, my dear friends, you are in this condition. Okay, you are taking your own time and deciding, and you are coming out of the addictions or whatever it is situations. You are coming out in your strength, and this is that confirmation that whatever you are taking time is not a negative thing for you. Okay, you are on a right path and you are taking your own time, and that is right for you. Okay, this is the confirmation, and it's come exactly under the sun card. Okay, this confirmation has come exactly under the sun card, my dear friends. What else confirmation do you need? Please don't be in the stuck mode or don't take rational decisions. Okay, be trust your intuitions. Okay, trust what your intuition, if it is telling you to go slow, go slow. If it is telling you to take the decision right now or it won't be taken in the future, take it. Okay, but take it slowly and understand what is going around your situation, and then pause and then take the decisions, my dear friends. Okay, don't let your fears to rule you. Okay, don't let your fears to rule you. These were your spirit messages, my dear friends. Hope it helped you. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share my comment my videos. The people who have supported me, thank you so much for that love and affection you have given me. Please continue to give that love and affection to my channel. Thank you so much. Namaste.